Good morning. It is New Year's Eve officially. We've been in New York for a couple days now, getting to know the land. And now it's New Year's Eve finally. So today's mission is to see the ball drop in Times Square.
In 9-degree weather.
9-degree weather. Everyone's telling us that we're crazy.
The locals tell us we're crazy.
So we're gonna show you how we're gonna do it.
The one thing you need to know about going to see the ball drop at Times Square is that there are no bathrooms. So you're at the mercy of just holding it in for 12 hours. But just in case you need to go pee, I got these pads. I didn't get adult diapers, but I got these pads just in case.
So like I said, it's gonna be 9 degrees. So I'm gonna layer up a ton because we're gonna be there for 12 hours. You have to be really warm because it's gonna be 9 degrees. Face mask, that's gonna cover up your face and your ears. I got another jacket behind this one here, or over there. 2 thermal shirts. Those are 2 thermal shirts and a regular shirt. And I'm gonna wear 2 thermal leggings. I got one on right now. I'm gonna wear a sweater as well on top of all of that. And then my pants, of course, and the scarf. We also got these special sock heat holders, and they work very well. But yeah, hand warmers. You're gonna need that, of course. It's gonna be insane. It's record temperature since what? Since 50 years ago or something like that. 10 degrees. It's gonna feel like -10 according to the forecast.
This is not sexy. This is not dressing sexy for New Year's Eve. We're just trying to dress as warm as we can.
We're almost ready. Thania has her 2018 crown on.
Bring in the new year.
Got all these Cliff Bars in my pocket, so you can't bring any bags, any backpacks, according to how things were last year. This jacket here that I'm gonna carry with me has these little pockets with zippers on it, so I'm gonna put some of my hand warmers in there, some Cliff Bars and stuff in there. Look at her, all bundled up right here.
Look at me. I'm ready to go.
Yeah,
I look
12 hours.
12 hours.
And actually we haven't ate yet or drank yet, and we're not going to because we can't.
We're on our way to the subway station to head down to Times Square. All right, now we're changing to another train to get downtown to Rockefeller Center, actually. We're told that going to the Rockefeller Center is a lot easier than going straight to Times Square, so that's why we're going that way.
Before we could even get into Times Square and security check, we were squished like sardines and we were getting pushed and shoved around.
There it is, the ball! I'm so excited because we got a really good spot. So coming at the perfect time was 1 o'clock for us. I'm gonna cry. I'm not crying because it's cold. I'm crying because I'm so happy that I finally get to live out my dream, my childhood dream.
We were surprised to see pizza being sold on the side of the street, but it was $35 for a pizza.
Yeah, I got pizza!
Our awesome new friends from the Bay Area gladly shared their pizza with us, which we were really thankful for because at that point we were getting really, really hungry.
They only had cheese, huh? Woo. Woo. Damn, this is so good. I don't know if it's good because it's cold or it's like generally good.
So we are New York City, Times Square, waiting 7 more hours. It's freaking cold. My feet, I can't even feel them right now.
3 more hours! It's so cold, my water bottle turned into ice. Like, look, it's icy. Oh my god, we're in a freezer.
To pass the time away and to keep warm, we danced like crazy people.
New York, New York.
I'm so happy that I'm here. The church is so beautiful.
Feliz Año Nuevo!
새해 복 많이 받으세요.
새해 복 많이 받으세요. Hey, what's up? We're
Hi,
super
everyone.
tired. We just got back from the New Year's event in Times Square, New York, 2018.
Yes, we did.
And we just came home and knocked out because we were tired. We went to the diner first because we needed the crowds to die down. It
Yes.
was insane out there in New York.
It was worth it. It
Yeah.
was worth the pain, the cold. It was worth it. And I definitely recommend everyone to at least see it once in your life. It's something that makes you feel like you can accomplish anything. 2018, it's our year. It's all of our years.
Yes.
We want to thank everyone, thank our new friends from South Korea that we met, our friends from Ciudad de Mexico. Thank you guys for hanging out with us on Times Square. And thank you to all of our subscribers.
It was a lot of fun meeting all those awesome people. Thank you so much.
Please subscribe if you're new to this channel, and we'll see you
Like
in
it.
2018.
Later.
Bye.